come to the second part of Mark Plus Incorporated white paper, Indonesia Outlook Marketing in 2008, Getting Out of the Price War. My name is Hermawan Kartajaya, founder, chairman, and chief executive officer of Mark Plus Incorporated, the first Southeast Asian marketing, consulting, education, and research company based in Jakarta, Singapore, and Kuala Lumpur. Part of Mark Plus Incorporated white paper, Indonesia Outlook Marketing in 2008, Getting Out of the Price War, and Vision Trend, D8 and Vision Trend. We found out that in 2008 that we have to be very careful with the 8 and vision trends. So what are the trends? Trend number 1, what we call internet booming. Internet booming. So not so many people are aware that actually 2008 there will be a booming in internet because the people are ready actually. The accesses to the internet already so many. We have Wi-Fi, we have WiMAX, we have cable, we have everything. Even so many alun-alun. Alun-alun is where the people gather in the small towns are already hotspot because our Minister of Communication Information, Muhammad Nuh, already tried it in East Java Province. 40 alun-aluns in East Java already hotspot, and he promised to make all alun-alun in Indonesia to be hotspot in 2008. And don't forget, Palapa Ring 2000 project will start this year, and he promised that it will finish this year. So we agree with the opinion of many experts in Indonesia that there will be a booming in internet usage in Indonesia. Trend number 2, pro-competition policy. As you know, the SBY and GK, Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono and Yusuf Kala administration will have only 1 year, 2008, to show the performance before going to the fresh election in 2009. So they will not take the risk. Pro-competition policy will be done appropriately, will be imposed appropriately. There is a tendency already to do it. So many industries now becoming very competitive. Government will support competition, and anti-monopoly institution will work harder to monitor what happened in the monopolistic industry. Trend number 3, what we call decentralization flourishing. 2008 will be more interesting arena for politicians. Why? Because 2009 there will be a national general election. But in Indonesia, as you know, there are so many direct elections because we have more than 456 region or kabupaten and cities or kota. And people will elect their own bupati and wali kota, mayors directly. And we have 33 governors. And all political parties want to fight to get their candidate to be governors, mayors, and region head. So, autonomy will be flourishing. Why? Because once the candidate is elected, whatever the political parties, they must work hard for the people in the region. So, as you see, Indonesia becoming more colorful, Indonesia is not Jakarta anymore. So please beware that marketing strategy must also be decentralized. Trend number 4, populist economy to the bottom of the pyramid. As I explained to you, government will not take the risk in 2008. They will work as hard as they can. They will impose populist economic policy to make people at the bottom of the pyramid happy. Because in 2009, they are the biggest voters. They must make sure that people at the bottom of the pyramid will be happy. That's why they promise not to increase the oil price. And hopefully, they will deliver what they promised. Trend number 5, rise of iExpress community. Wow, this is very interesting. Yeah? Rise of iExpress, this is what we call that will be a class of authorization. Everybody will say, I am the God, I am the prophet, I am the authority. Yeah? Because now Indonesia is very democratic and we will experience the internet booming, so everybody can say whatever they want to say, and 2008 will be more interesting arena for them. So all political parties also want to test the issue, what will be interesting to the people. Trend number 6, listening to the rumors versus finding fact. We can see the trend that people now needs more horizontal marketing, not vertical marketing, because they believe on their trusted friend. Even they only have rumors. They don't try to finding facts in buying everything, in making decision. Trend number 7, higher non-Jawa purchasing power. You see that all commodity prices are going up internationally. And then Jawa is not rich in commodity, but outside Jawa, non-Jawa, like Sumatera, Kalimantan, Sulawesi, even Papua, will be richer because they are exporting commodity internationally. And the last trend, trend number 8, is what we call proliferation of the mass market. So, if I illustrate the Indonesian market is like the pyramid like this, the upper market, middle market, and lower market. So, we predict that in Indonesia now, the lower market will be bigger, but they are smarter, and the middle market will disappear, or at least very small. So, there are 2 choices only in 2008. Either you go up, target the top of the pyramid, which is still big in Indonesia, 240 million population, even 1% is already 2.4 million population, and it is easy to target because most of them live in Jakarta and other big cities. But remember, the bottom of the pyramid, the lower market, is really, really big. But they don't want to accept low quality product, even they demand for low price. They are becoming smarter. So, whatever your industry, whatever your product, your service, beware of the 8 and vision trend in 2008 and create your strategy fit with the 8 trends. Survive and win in Indonesia market. Thank you.